Okay. So welcome to all of you on the Grammar Day, and let's start without taking much time. So today we are going to discuss a very important topic that is called the parts of speech. I hope the screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so parts of speech, as we already discussed, the parts of speech is important to make the meaningful and the effective and the correct sentences. We should have the good knowledge of the parts of speech. 8
Yes.
parts of speech we know. Okay. Now the first is the noun. Noun.
Yes.
Take a noun we all know. What is a noun? Name, place, animal thing. Name,
Yes.
place, animal thing. If you see your surroundings, anything which you can give you the name, that becomes the noun. जिसका भी आप नाम दे सकते हैं, that becomes the noun. So noun are of very different types: common noun, proper noun, abstract noun. Okay. So common noun you all know. Like for example, ball, car, stick. These are all the common nouns. And proper nouns means the specific. Specific. Okay. So that is very simple. Question आता है how to identify the nouns. This is a topic. How to identify the nouns in a sentence. So first trick, I'm going to discuss some tricks with you. So guys, the first trick is if you find the words that are name, place, animal, thing, that is a noun. That is a noun. I go to school. What is a noun?
School.
School. Because school is a name of a place. School is a name of a place. My name is Komal. What is a noun?
Common.
Komal. Name of a person. Okay. I have a pet. I have a pet. Pet is a noun.
Pet.
Okay.
Is a noun.
So this is very easy. If any name, place, animal, thing. So that is a noun. Okay. Now these are the some sentences you can easily identify. She bought a pair of shoes. What is a noun?
Pair of
Shoes.
Pair of shoes. Pair is also the noun. Common noun. Common noun. Shoes is also the noun. I have a pet.
Pet.
Pet is
Pet.
a
Pet is
noun.
noun.
Is
Pet is a
this
noun.
your book? Is this your book? Book.
Book is a
It is an object. It is an object. Thing. So that's why it is a noun. Many people have a fear of darkness. What is a noun?
Fear of darkness.
Darkness.
Fear and darkness.
And
Fear and
darkness.
darkness. Because fear tells us about the emotions and darkness which we cannot see. Okay, so that is an abstract noun which we cannot touch and see, but we can feel it. So that is also the noun. He is my brother. Brother is a name of a person. So this is also the noun. This is my school. School is the name of a
It's a
place. This is
place.
also the noun. Okay, so that is very easy to identify. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Honesty
ma'am.
is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. What is honesty?
Noun.
Noun.
Now,
Any other noun is in this sentence?
Policy.
Policy.
Policy is also the noun.
This
Policy.
is abstract noun.
This is abstract noun, but just you have to check whether it is a noun or not. Trick number 2. It is very important, guys. If a word is followed by an article, a, an, or the, then that word is certainly a noun. अगर किसी भी word से पहले a, an और the आ रहे हैं, so that means that word is a noun. Like for example, he saw a tiger at the zoo. He saw a tiger at the zoo. Up now, Pasuram, can you tell me what are the nouns in this sentence?
Tiger and zoo.
Tiger and zoo. How you identify? See, tiger से
Tiger
पहले
is
क्या
the
है?
animal's name. Zoo is
This
the
is the one way. This is the one way because tiger is an animal, so then you can identify. Or the second way is that you will check this sentence. Is coming. Is coming.
Yes.
ऐसे ही zoo से पहले the is coming.
The is coming.
So that's why tiger and zoo are the nouns. They bought a computer. Indrajit, what is the noun in this sentence?
computer, ma'am.
Computer. Why? Because a is coming before
Is coming.
that.
Yes,
A is coming before that.
yes, ma'am. Before that.
This is clear? This is
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
yes, ma'am.
If any article is coming before that word, so that word becomes a noun.
No.
That word becomes a noun.
No.
Write down one sentence. You should have walk daily. You should have walk daily. Write on second sentence. You should have a walk daily. What is walk in the first sentence?
Can you repeat
Verb.
it?
Verb.
Or
Verb.
what is walk in the first sentence?
Verb.
Verb.
And
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is walk in the second sentence?
Noun.
Noun. Noun.
Now.
How you identify? Because a is coming before.
Coming before.
Before.
Oh,
This is the simplest way how to identify the noun. The third trick is if you find any suffix. Suffix means the words which ends at the end of the words. अगर आप देखेंगे किसी भी वर्ड्स के एंड में ये सब सफिक्स लग रहे हैं ITY, TY, NESS, HOOD, IST, MENT, ATION, AGE, ER. So then that word is 100% noun. I am a teacher. What is a noun?
Teacher.
Teacher. How you
Teacher.
identify?
Or ER.
Ends with
Suffix.
ER. Ends with ER. ठीक है, so इसमें OR भी होता है, OR भी होता है. Okay, so these are the suffix which you, at least these suffix you should know. There are so many suffix, but at least these suffix you should keep into your mind. So this is a chart I have made. Activity, liberty, reality, NESS से, HOOD से, IST से, MENT से, ATION से. So I will share this PDF. So please go through it. So these suffix, if the words ends with these suffix, so then it means these are all the
Noun.
nouns. These are all the nouns.
Nouns.
Clear?
Yes.
The next identification of the noun is who, whom, what. Who, whom, what. Suppose आपका that tricks are not applicable. You don't know कि what is an article. You are not able to identify the name, place, animal, thing. You are not able to identify the suffix. Then you can identify. Then you can apply these tricks also. Who, whom, what. Shakespeare was a great dramatist. Shakespeare was a great dramatist. This is a sentence. Okay, sir. Now you have to apply this technique on this sentence. Then you can ask, who was a great dramatist? Who
Shakespeare.
was a great dramatist?
Shakespeare.
Shakespeare. You will get the answer
Yes.
Shakespeare. So Shakespeare becomes a noun. Shakespeare becomes a noun. Harry broke the
Shakespeare.
window. Harry broke the window. If you are not able to identify the noun, so then you can ask who broke the window.
Who broke the window?
Who broke the window? You will get the answer Harry.
Harry.
Or you can
Harry.
also ask. You can also
What?
ask, what the Harry did break.
Window.
Window. So they are the two nouns. So in this way also you can identify the nouns. Who, whom, what. The next technique is basically nouns जो हैं often follow these four words: have, own, see, like और love also. अगर ये words आते हैं तो इनके बाद जो next word आता है guys 99% या 100% these are the nouns. So you have to keep these 4-5 words into your mind: have, own, see, like, love. I like music. I like music. Okay?
Music is a
Music.
noun.
Music is a noun. Suppose you are not getting, देखो क्योंकि इससे पहले there is no article is coming. There are no suffix are coming. So in that scenario, you got confused. कि what is a noun in this case? So then you have to check. Okay, like is a word is coming. So the next word should be in the noun.
Now.
He has a car. What is a noun?
Car.
Car. Although you can identify because car से पहले क्या लगा हुआ है? What is coming before car? Article is coming. So then you can also identify. But if you see in this second sentence, there is no article is coming. But you know कि after the like, I have to use the noun.
And ma'am, what about the she and I? These are also noun, na?
She and I.
Subject.
Pronoun.
No.
Pronoun.
No, these are the
Hello.
pronouns. These are the pronouns.
Okay.
These are the pronouns. These are not the nouns. Okay, I will tell you ki how to identify the pronouns also. यहाँ तक clear? Any doubt?
Yes.
Now,
Madam,
Shakespeare.
she has a there car.
Sorry,
She has a there car.
she has a
There car.
not getting Parshuram.
Madam, she has a there car. Other car.
She has a their curve.
There is
T-H-E-R-E or T-H-E-I-R?
THEIR.
T-H-E-I-R. There. वो भी हम discuss करेंगे. We will discuss. Abhi right now just focus on the noun. Just focus on the noun. Ki how to identify the noun.
Okay,
Now
okay,
this is
ma'am.
a sentence. Shakespeare was a dramatist. Sangeeta, can you tell me what are the noun in the first sentence?
Ma'am, Shakespeare.
Only Shakespeare?
And also a Two.
Dramatist.
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 How to identify dramatist is a noun?
because
Uh,
A is
Ma'am,
coming.
before article,
Article.
Before article is there, and the second trick is because this word end with ist. ist. Suffix कौन सा लग रहा है इसके साथ? ist.
yes.
And also
Okay.
what is he?
हाँ. Tariq, Harry broke the window.
Harry and the window.
Harry and the window. Very good. Mr. Rawat, Ram invited his friends yesterday.
Ma'am, Ram is a noun.
Only Ram?
Friends also.
Ram and friends.
Friends.
Sorry.
Friends is also the noun. Common noun.
Yeah.
Common
Yeah.
noun. Friends is also the noun. Friends is also
Yes. Yes.
the Okay. Dhriti.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no. Sorry. This is other trick. This is other trick how to identify the nouns. The trick
And-
number one, you know ki if article is followed before any word, so that becomes the noun. If any adjective is coming before any word, so that word also becomes a noun. And if any preposition is coming before that word also becomes the noun. So there are the three tricks you have to keep into mind: articles, adjectives, and prepositions. The children, Rajneesh, the children found an egg in the nest.
Yes, ma'am.
What is a noun?
Children, egg
Yeah.
and nest.
Children?
Egg and nest.
Very good. Children, egg, and nest.
Nest.
क्योंकि देखो egg से पहले क्या आ गया? आर्टिकल आ गया
And
ठीक है. चिल्ड्रन से भी पहले आर्टिकल आ गया एन, और नेस्ट से पहले क्या आ गया? अगर सपोज करो इन नेस्ट होता, सो इन
Preposition.
इज अ preposition. In is a preposition. Okay. Varun, Rakhi, John, Vinay, are you guys getting this concept? Just show me the virtual thumbs up.
Yes, madam.
Madam.
Yes. I heard this lessons.
Okay.
Thank you, madam. Thank
Right. Is it
Madam,
clear?
just I have a doubt.
Huh.
The children found an egg in nest. In nest means nest is not a noun.
Nest is a noun, na?
nest
also
noun.
noun.
Nest
Preposition.
is a noun because article is coming. अगर सपोज करो द नहीं होता यहाँ पर, THE नहीं होता, in nest होता, तब भी nest is a noun because in is a preposition.
Noun.
In is a preposition,
In is a preposition, yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
the
yes, ma'am.
next. Yes, Dhriti.
Yes, ma'am. Ganga, then sacred, then river.
What is a noun?
Then
Ganga.
the Ganga, then
Only
sacred.
Ganga? Only Ganga?
No. Ganga, sacred, and river.
How many nouns?
3 nouns.
3 nouns. Okay. Please tell me the name.
Ganga, sacred, and river.
Okay. Okay. Guys, please note down this sentence. Ganga is a sacred river.
Two nouns, ma'am.
Two noun. Ganga
Ganga
and
and
river.
river.
Ganga and
सुनो. See.
Ganga and sacred river.
हाँ, see guys, हमने rule क्या करा है? Dhriti is absolutely right on her
Yes, ma'am.
part because
ma'am.
what the rule we have discussed, if any article is coming and after the article, if any word is coming, that becomes a noun. Okay,
Yes.
But
Right.
sacred river is the one part.
Sacred river is a
one word.
कहाँ कौन सी
No,
डिक्शनरी
No,
में लिखा है
ma'am,
तारीख
नहीं,
का
नहीं,
एक
नहीं।
वर्ड है?
ma'am, sacred is a adjective.
बट हमने अभी रूल क्या डिस्कस करा है गाइस? रूल हमने ये
Noun.
डिस्कस करा है, इफ आफ्टर द आर्टिकल इफ
Article.
एनी वर्ड इज कमिंग सो दैट बिकम्स अ नाउन.
Noun.
Now.
So Dhriti is absolutely right, but still we are challenging her.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो इसका मतलब कहानी में कुछ ट्विस्ट है. अब वो ट्विस्ट क्या है गाइस? लिखो. See, if two words are coming after the article, I repeat, if two words are coming after the article, if two words are coming after the article, the first word should be the adjective and second word should be the
Noun.
suppose the sentence is
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
so Sonia, I'm just saying, dear, if the two words are coming after the article,
What?
first word should be the adjective and second word should be the
Noun.
noun. Like for example, he is a boy. He is a boy. What is a noun?
Why?
Boy. Boy. कैसे identify करा?
Article.
Article.
Article आ गया. ठीक है? Write down next sentence. He is a good boy.
Good word.
He is a good boy.
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 Then what is a noun?
Good and boy.
Good and
नहीं
boy.
नहीं नहीं
No,
नहीं. अब
ma'am,
good नहीं
boy.
मिला.
Boy,
अब
only
good
boy.
good.
Good is adjective.
हाँ, देखो,
Yeah.
अगर मैंने क्या बोला, if two
Boy.
words are coming after the article, तो जो first word है that should be considered as an adjective and second
Adjective.
word should be considered as a noun.
They are
Is a
noun.
noun.
So he is a good boy. तो good क्या हुआ? What is good?
Adjective.
Adjective.
And what is boy?
Noun.
Noun.
Noun. Write on next sentence. He is a very good boy. Let me
He
He is a very good boy. अब
No,
how many words are coming after the article?
Three.
Three.
How many words are coming after the article?
Three.
They are the three words.
Three.
They are the three words.
Three.
Three.
Write down. If the three words are coming after the articles, the first word should be the adverb, second word should be the adjective,
Adjective. And
third
third
word should be the
be
noun.
the noun.
Noun.
Adverb.
Adverb. So
Adverb.
very क्या है? What is very?
Adverb.
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 Okay.
Adjective, noun.
Adverb, adjective, and noun. This is just a way how to identify.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear this thing?
Yes,
तो धृति वो सेक्रेड रिवर क्या था फिर?
ma'am.
सेक्रेड क्या है यहाँ पर?
Adjective.
Adjective है.
Only second is
That is
adjective.
Adjective is a sacred and river is a noun.
Noun.
Clear? Sangeeta,
Yes, ma'am.
number third.
Ram is an honor to the profession.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. Ram,
Hmm.
profession. Oh,
Ram
Ram
and
is a
profession.
noun. Ram is a noun.
हाँ.
Is an honor. Honor is adjective of
Why
the
honor?
profession.
Why honor is an adjective?
No, ma'am.
Let her
also
speak. Let us
Oh.
speak. Let her speak. Let her speak. Sangeeta, why honor is an adjective?
It means, ma'am, honor is respect.
No, no.
नहीं संगीता, इसका हिंदी संवाद नहीं करना हमने. सिंपल हमने तो ट्रिक लगाना है. एन लगा है, एन के बाद सिंगल वर्ड आ रहा है. एन ऑनर
Noun.
सीधा आ रहा है.
Yes.
अगर सिंगल
Noun.
वर्ड आ रहा है तो इट बिकम्स अ नाउन.
Noun.
It is a noun. And to the profession. Profession is also a noun.
Is a noun.
Noun.
Meeta, number
Yes.
fourth.
He played a great role in her success.
Hmm.
Noun. Great role in her great and success.
Hmm. Vinay, He played a great role in her success.
Yeah, role and success.
Role and success.
Yes.
Yes,
Absolutely
role and
right.
success.
Role.
Role.
मीता
Yes,
और के बाद
confused
two
है.
words आ गए ना फिर से.
Yes, yes.
Great और role. तो
Yes,
great
yes.
तो adjective हो गया.
Yes,
Role
yes,
हमारा
yes.
noun हो
Role
गया.
and
और success हो गया क्योंकि success किसके बाद आ रहा है? Adjective के बाद आ रहा है.
Adjective.
Her is a adjective.
मैम और सक्सेस में वो भी है, वो कौन सा आपने बताया था? ES
Suffix. हाँ,
Suffix.
E-double-X. हाँ.
Suffix.
He has a beautiful house. What is the noun?
House.
House. ये trick समझ आया? If the three words are there after an article, the first word should be the
Yes. Adjective. Adverb.
Adverb.
First
adverb.
word is adverb.
Verb.
Second word is
Verb is adjective.
adjective. The third word is
Noun.
Noun.
ठीक है. So always keep this trick into your mind. The boys switch off the fans. What is a noun?
Fan.
Fans. Boy and fans.
Boy
and
and
fans.
fans.
Because O-double-F off जो है preposition है, so that's why it is coming the noun. He returned after a month. Indrajit, what is a noun?
He returned after the month. मैम इसमें return और month.
Return कैसे noun हो गया?
Just a second. He returned after the month. After and it's month, ma'am, only.
Only
Month.
month. Yes.
चलो देर से आए लेकिन दुरुस्त आए. Month is a noun. Month is a noun.
Yeah,
देखो
noun.
there are the two ways. Indrajit, very simple. एक तो आर्टिकल आया हुआ है, you can easily identify.
Yeah,
Suppose करो सेंटेंस होता he returned after month. He returned after month या after months होता. Okay, so then what is a different technique you have to use? There is a preposition after. अगर after के preposition के बाद if the word is coming, so again it is a noun.
Noun.
Ranish, he is fond of music.
Music.
Yes. The book is on the desk. The book is on the desk. Tariq,
Book and desk.
book and desk. Book and desk. Okay. The children love stories about the courage. The children love stories about the courage. Yes. What is a noun?
Children.
Children love
Hmm.
And courage.
Children and
Courage.
Stories.
children. सिर्फ children सुनाई दिया मुझे, उसके बाद कुछ नहीं
Children
सुनाई दिया.
and courage.
Children and
Children and
courage.
courage.
Stories.
Children and courage.
Children stories and courage.
Stories, courage.
Why
Yeah.
stories? Why stories?
Because love is there.
Love. Love is
Love
coming.
is there.
Yes,
लव से ऐसा लगता है दूर दूर तक नाता नहीं है तुम लोगों का. हाँ, लाइफ को थोड़ा सा जियो. Yes, so love is also there. So love के बाद if the word is coming, that is also the noun. और simple guys, अगर आप किसी भी word का singular plural बना सकते हैं, so then it also is a trick to identify the nouns. And about is a preposition, so that's why the courage is coming. So again, it is a noun.
Noun.
It is a noun.
Love.
Next is pronoun, guys. Pronoun, you all already know what is pronoun. Pronoun are the words which you can use in
In
the
place of
a
noun.
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 Always we are using Ram, so it becomes very monotonous. So then what we can do, we just replace Ram with a pronoun. So as you all know, these are the different types of pronouns: subject pronoun, object pronoun, possessive adjectives, possessive pronouns. But abhi just focus only on these two. So subject pronoun क्या होते हैं? The pronouns which we can use in the place of the subject. Subject क्या होता है? What is subject? Who is doing that work? जो उस काम को करता है, that is a subject. So what are the subject pronouns? I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. These are all the subject pronouns. Okay, and object pronouns जो object की जगह पे place होता है, जैसे I like her. I like her. What is I?
Noun.
Pronoun. I is a Pronoun. subject
I is
pronoun.
a pronoun. What type of pronoun?
Subject pronoun.
Subject pronoun. What is like?
Verb.
Adjective.
Verb.
Like is
Verb.
sorry, verb.
Verb. And what is her? What is her?
Object pronoun.
Object pronoun.
Object.
Object pronoun. So that you should know. I का object pronoun क्या होता है?
Me.
What is the object pronoun of I? Me. You का you, he का him, she का her, it का it, we का us, you का you, they का they. That you should know. That you should know. So this is a chart, the same chart. Possessive adjectives, guys. There are the two things. There are the two things very important. Please note down. Possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. Possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. Suppose write down two sentences. This is my book. This is my book. This is my book. Write down second sentence. This book is mine. This book is mine. Now, if you see, this is coming in both the sentences. This is coming in both the sentences. The first sentence is, this is my book. This is my book. Okay. So, in the first sentence, this kya hai? What is this? This is the demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative, वो उसको demonstrate कर रहा है ना. This is a demonstrative. Just to keep into your mind कि this is a pronoun. This is a pronoun. What is my? What is my in this sentence?
Pronoun.
नहीं देखो, अगर my, her, ये सब अगर आपके noun से पहले आ रही हैं, जैसे book is a noun. If
Yes.
any these words are coming, my, her, his, is coming before any noun, so that becomes a adjectives. So this
So could
is
you-
my book. Mein my becomes an adjective. Okay.
Yes, could you please repeat?
Please mute, guys. देखो, see this sentence यहाँ पे देखो. Her hair is long, but my hair is short. Her hair is long, but my hair is short. Okay, this is a way to write one sentence. You can also rewrite. Please mute. ये कौन? परशुराम, please mute. Her hair is long, but my hair is short. This is a sentence. If you want to write this sentence, or you can also write this sentence in this way also. Her hair is long, but mine is short. So my hair की जगह what you can write? Mine. And what is mine? Mine is a possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Okay, तो ये सिर्फ आपको थोड़ा बहुत little bit you just have a little bit idea. Don't go in a detail. Only the keep thing into your mind. What are the subject pronouns? I, you, we, they. These are all the subject pronouns. And what are the object pronouns? Me, you, us, them, her, or his. Him, sorry. These are the object pronouns. Only the things that you should know into your mind. Nothing beyond detail. Okay. I wish. Okay. Now, guys, this is very important. Adjective. Adjective, as you all know, adjectives are the describing words. What they describe the nouns or the pronouns. Adjectives describes the nouns or the pronouns.
Quality, ma'am, noun and pronoun.
Quality, yes. It tells us not only the qualities, it tells us about the quantity also. Quality, quantity. The clever fox defeated the brave lion. What is the adjective in this sentence?
Brave.
Brave.
Only
Clever.
brave,
Clever and
clever.
brave.
Clever is also
Clever and
an
brave.
adjective because
Yes,
what
yes.
type? Because it tells us about the quality of a
The
fox. What
fox.
type of fox? Clever fox.
Clever
Clever.
fox.
And adjective always comes before the noun.
No.
Before the noun. So fox is a noun because fox is the name of an animal. So इससे पहले कैसी fox? It tells us about the quality
Clever.
of fox. So clever. And lion. कैसा lion?
Brave.
Okay. Yes. Tariq, number second.
Hopeless is adjective.
Hopeless is an adjective. Hopeless is an adjective. How you identify? Because it
Because
is coming before the case, and second is article is coming,
article
and
is
after
coming
that
and
the two words
two
are
words
coming.
are
So the
comes.
first word
Yes,
should
ma'am.
be the adjective, and second
And
word
second
should
one
be
is a
the
noun.
noun.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Rawat, number third. She's smart
He
enough to deal
is
with the
smart.
situation. What is an adjective? Yes.
Smart,
Hmm.
smart enough.
Smart.
Smart.
Only smart is an adjective.
Yes.
Only smart is an adjective.
Yes.
Dhriti, some students helped her to do the work. Okay, anyone?
Some.
Sonia?
Only some.
Ah. What is the adjective?
Some, ma'am. Some.
Some students, because it tells us about the quantity.
Quantity
It
and
says students, some students. And what is her? What is her here?
Preposition.
No.
No,
Her
ma'am,
is not a,
pronoun.
it's a
Pronoun.
pronoun. It's a
Pronoun.
pronoun. It's a
R
pronoun.
is pronoun.
Pronoun.
Her is pronoun. Indrajit, the first chapter of the book is very interesting.
The first chapter is the very first.
कौन सा chapter? Which chapter?
First.
First.
It must
So
be
Past
first
and
is an
And
adjective.
first and very, ma'am.
First and very.
very.
First and
Very.
Very.
why very?
No,
Very
very is
interesting.
adverb. Interesting is adjective.
Interesting is an adjective. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. So the first, what type of chapter? The first chapter. So the first is an adjective. I have written some suffix also if the words ends with these suffix able, ale, ant, ary, ful, ic, ious, ous, ive, lessy. These all words are the adjectives. Okay, so you have to just cram. If you will see, I saw a beautiful girl, so it should be immediately comes into your mind. Acha, ful से end हो रहा है, so it is a adjective. Okay, so that you should know. एक बार go through कर लेना. Mita, I will share this PDF.
Okay, ma'am.
This is very important, guys. Sentence patterns. As you already know, what are there are the two rules to identify the adjective. The first is adjective always ends with a noun. I have a red car. So car is a noun. Noun se pehle what is coming? Always an
Same.
adjective. This is the
Adjective.
one way. The second way is that it is not every time sure that every sentence ends with a noun. So in that case, this is a second sentence pattern. Be verb plus adjective. Be verb plus adjective. जैसे the student is tired. The student is tired. If you see this type of sentence, the student is tired. According to you, what should be coming into your mind? Correct sentence क्या होना चाहिए था?
The student is tiring.
Tiring. Very good. Very good. The student is tiring.
Tiring.
Right? But
Yes.
यहाँ पर नहीं है. ing is not coming. So it means tiring अगर नहीं है. So don't think so कि this sentence is wrong. Then you can think it can we use tire as an adjective also? Yes. So in this case, the student is tired. The student is tired. So in this case, be verb के बाद भी adjectives are coming, which is not followed by any noun. Window is broken. Window is broken. What is a noun in this sentence?
Window.
Window. And
Window
what is an
is not.
adjective? What is an adjective?
Broken.
Broken. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that tells us something more about the verb, adjectives and adverbs. तीनों के बारे में बताता है. वर्ब के बारे में भी बताता है, एडजेक्टिव्स के बारे में भी बताते हैं और एडवर्ब के बारे में भी बताते हैं. I forgot to write, but you please guys write. I ate my dinner quickly. I ate my dinner quickly. What is the verb in this sentence?
Ate.
Ate.
मैंने अपना डिनर खाया. कैसे खाया?
Quickly.
What describe?
Quickly.
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 So quickly जो describe कर रहा है, quickly describes what? Quickly describes eat. So ate. So quickly becomes an
Adverb.
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 Adverb. Or you can also identify, this is not 100%, but yes, 90% cases may it's still acceptable if the words ends with ly.
ly.
If the word ends with ly, so it becomes an adverb.
Adverb.
Adverb. My father came home early. My father came home early. What is an adverb?
Early.
Early.
Early. Early. Okay, ly से end हो रहा है और वैसे भी this describes the came. कैसे आए? जल्दी आए.
जल्दी.
Sam sees many puppies outside. Now guys, in this situation, ly doesn't work. Ly doesn't work.
Yes.
But it tells us about the verb. It describes the verb. Sam ने देखा. कहाँ देखा? बाहर देखा. So outside is also an adverb.
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 Adverb. Adverbs are the words which describes the verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. This dress is elegant. What is elegant here?
Adverb.
Adverb.
Elegant is an adjective because he's a
Adjective is coming.
Adjective.
Yes, because B family देखो
B.
is from the B linking word
अच्छा.
B family and B family के साथ जो next word आएगा अगर वो ing form में नहीं है so that should be the
Adjective.
adjective.
And also it shows quality.
हाँ, it shows the quality. It shows the quality about किसका quality show कर रहा है? Elegant क्या
Dress का.
है?
Dress.
Dress is elegant. And what is dress? What is dress?
Noun.
Noun. So if the word tells about the noun, so it becomes an adjective. So the dress is elegant, so elegant is an adjective. But अगर sentence ये होता, she dresses elegantly. She dresses elegantly. So now in this sentence, elegantly describes the dresses. यहाँ पर dresses का क्या मतलब है? Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of dresses?
वो पहनती है.
हाँ, यहाँ पर
If
dresses का
dresses
मतलब होता है
is a verb.
पहनना.
Wear.
Wear, yes. Dresses means wear. You can also say she wears elegantly. This is also okay. You can also say she dresses elegantly. Okay, so ly से end हो रहा है, so it is again a adverb.
Adverb.
So adverbs are the words that modify the verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs or the complete sentences. Spotify an adverb is easy if it ends with ly. How we can spotify the adverb? It is very easy if it ends with ly.
Ly.
Excitedly, politely. Another way to spot an adverb is by asking the questions. How, when, where, how often. You have to ask the questions. How, when, where, how often. The bird are flying swiftly. Although it is very easy because it ends with ly. But if I don't know ly concept, then I can put how. How did the bird fly?
Swiftly.
Swiftly. So you will get the answer swiftly. So what is swiftly? Swiftly becomes
Adverb.
that
Adverb.
adverb. A deer was strolling nearby. Ab guys, see, in this sentence, there is no ly concept. So then you can ask, where did the deer stroll?
Nearby.
Nearby.
Nearby. So nearby is an adverb.
Adverb.
The four utter pups were sleeping quite peacefully. So in this case, sleeping is a verb, quiet is an adverb, or quiet bhi kaisa? Peacefully. So they are the two verbs. So two adverbs can come in a sentence. Okay, so that we can do it. Finally, they came to the lion's den. Finally, they came to the lion's den. So ly से end हो रहा है. So adverb you can place at the beginning of the sentence also. Adverbs you can place at the end of the sentence also. That is perfectly okay. Okay, so let's start this activity. ऐसा लग रहा है थक गए हो.
No,
Guys,
ma'am.
this is very important topic. Trust me, this is very important. हाँ? So that's why ना बीच बीच में थोड़ा सा मैंने वो एक्टिविटी डाल दी है ताकि सो ना जाओ पूरे. Okay, but this is very important. एक
Yes.
बार इसको go through करोगे ना तो it's very easy because just whatever I have made in this PPT now only go through with that topic. That is more than sufficient. चलो, he will be leaving tonight. Sonia, adverb क्या है? You have to identify the adverbs only.
Tonight.
Tonight. Okay, great, 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 great. Rajneesh,
Yes, ma'am.
number second.
He walked carefully as he had injured his legs. Injured.
Injured is an adverb.
No, ma'am.
Carefully.
Careful.
Carefully, sorry.
Carefully. ly से end हो रहा है. It's very,
Yes, yes, yes.
it's
Very
very.
easy. Yes, it
हाँ,
was.
Sangeeta, number C.
Hmm.
Unmute Sangeeta. Okay, Indrajit, number C.
Go outside and take some water for me.
Hmm.
Ma'am, is water.
Water is an adverb.
Outside.
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 Water तो noun
Some,
है इंद्रजीत,
some,
होगा.
some,
Some परशुराम some कैसे adverb हो गया?
no.
Some किससे पहले आ रहा है? Some is coming before the water.
Water.
And water is a
Now.
Noun.
noun. और
Noun.
noun से पहले अगर कोई word आ रहा है तो
Preposition.
that becomes a
Preposition.
Adjective.
Oh, sorry.
Adjective.
अगर यहाँ पर
Adjective.
preposition नहीं है तो it becomes an adjective.
No,
So
sorry.
some is an
Adjective.
मतलब सब बोल दो, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ तो
No,
कैसे कर.
no, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Outside
Adverb
is
is,
ma'am
adverb is
verb.
the outside.
Adverb.
हाँ, adverb is
Because
an
it's
outside.
Outside.
its rule with the
Outside.
where. Its rule apply with the where.
Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Yes. Dhriti, number D.
Number D, the bravely.
Bravely. Very good.
Yeah, right.
Meeta, I met him yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Yes,
Yes.
yesterday. When I met him? Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yesterday is also an adverb.
Adverb.
Adverb, as we already discussed, only this is a 90% cases mein if the adverb ends with ly, if the word ends with ly, so we can simply say it's an adverb. But I have written some more suffix also, ward, wisc. These are also the adverbs.
Adverb.
Verbs, you know how to make the verbs. If the words ends with ed, ing, en, ize or isc. I repeat, if the words ends with ed, जैसे cooked, laughed. If the words ends with ing, jumping, walking. If the words ends with en, soften, strengthen. If the words end with ize, isc, all these words becomes the verb.
Verb. Memorial.
Verb.
Soft
Memorialize.
is the verb.
Memorialize.
These are all the verbs.
Authorize.
In the verbs.
Ma'am,
Verbs.
please give a
Right.
These are all the verbs. This is homework I'm going to assign, Tariq, if you ask me. Okay, because you
ma'am,
have to
can
make
ma'am,
all the sentences
ma'am, could
of
you
all
give
the subjects.
example?
This is the Tariq, this is your homework.
Okay.
Other if I will give the homework now, I'm pretty sure, guys, you will not open this this PPT. Okay, now this is the preposition. Okay, now preposition. Preposition, you all know the preposition, the words which tells us the relationship between the two nouns or the nouns and the pronouns. The book is on the table. So what is the preposition?
On.
On.
On is
On,
only the
on.
preposition. The
Article.
students are sitting in the room. What is the preposition? In. He ran across the field. Across is the preposition. Across is a preposition because preposition का मतलब होता है preposition. If you break these word ना preposition, so it means preposition. Preposition where मतलब we have to keep the preposition before the noun. Before the noun. He arrived in the morning.
In.
He was walking along the road.
Along.
Along is the preposition.
Long is the
Okay.
preposition.
Conjunction. What are the conjunctions? Conjunctions are the joining words. If two sentences या two words को if we join, if the two words, two phrases को अगर हम join करते हैं, so that becomes a conjunctions. Ram and Mohan will complete the work. What is a conjunction?
And
And.
And is a conjunction. I will meet you at office or at home.
Or.
Or. He said that he was busy.
that.
That. Okay, so these are the conjunction. Conjunctions basically when you combine the two words, two sentences, or the two phrases. That you have to use the conjunction. Interjunctions क्या होते हैं, guys? Interjunctions are the words that are used to express a sudden feeling. Feeling can be sorrow, feeling can be surprise, feeling can be happy. So whenever you want to show your sudden feeling, so you have to use the interjunction. And these are the interjunctions remarks. Hooray, bravo, oops, ah. These are all the wow. Yes, wow. So these are all the interjunctions remarks. This is just show ki what are your feeling. If I'm saying wow, you have done this, so it means I'm showing my
Expression.
Interjection. Oh, feelings.
Expression.
I'm showing
Feeling.
my
what type of feeling? What type of feeling?
Joy.
Joy. Yes, excitement.
Joy.
Excitement.
So then you have to use in this case. Okay, so that is the interjection. Now these are the examples. Tom lives in New York. So just read it carefully. If any doubt, so please ask me. Very simple.
Tom lives in New York.
New York noun, madam.
No, you just read it. You just read it. If you have any problem, then you can ask.
She was looking for. Did she?
The noun is she, noun is New York.
I have written some examples. And the black color, which is in the black bold color, so that are the parts of speech. Any doubt?
Yeah, in the first one, Tom is not noun. Tom is also noun.
Tom is also the noun, Vinay. Tom is also the noun. Yes.
Okay.
Done? Any doubt?
Ma'am, some confusion between adverb and adjective.
The tea is too hot. The tea is too hot. Okay, this is a sentence.
Yes.
Okay, now is a linking verb. Again, if the be verb, the two words are coming. The first word is an adverb and the second word is an adjective. So to जो है, to is an adverb and hot जो है, that is an adjective. In the second sentence, the movie was amazing. Again, it is a linking verb, but it describes about the movie. What type of movie? What type of movie? But the movie was amazing. The movie was amazing. So then it is an adjective. Abhi to right now, na guys, you just focus on ki are you able to identify all the parts of speech? That is only the task. This is only the task. Okay. My brother, this is also simple. My brother came home late. What is my in this sentence?
My is now.
Pronoun.
Pronoun.
What is my?
Pronoun.
Pronoun.
या तो नाउन सुनाई दे रहा है या प्रोनाउन सुनाई दे रहा है, इसके अलावा
Pronoun, ma'am. Pronoun.
Pronoun.
No,
It's
No.
an adjective, ma'am.
it's an adjective.
Because
Because
second word is a
brother
noun.
is coming na, brother
और
आ गया ना साथ
second word
में.
is a noun.
Brother is coming na after.
No.
अगर pronoun के बाद अगर कोई noun आ रहा है, if any noun is coming after the pronoun, so this becomes an adjective. So this is my is an possessive adjective. What is home? What is home?
Noun.
Noun. Home is a noun. Home is a noun. Name of a place.
Name of a place.
What is late?
Adverb.
Adverb. Very good. Adverb. I am a good girl. You have to tell me only the black color. Am is, what is am?
B,
Verb.
B family.
Verb. Very
Verb.
good.
Verb.
B family.
Am is
And what
verb.
is
Good
good?
is adjective.
Good is
Good
an
adjective.
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 Good is an adjective. Good is an adjective. This is the book I was looking for. What is I?
Subject.
I pronoun.
I is a pronoun. I is a pronoun. What is was?
B
Verb.
family.
Verb.
Verb.
B
What
family.
is looking?
Looking verb.
Looking
is a
at
verb.
adjective.
No. This is also the verb. I was looking.
Verb.
Verb. Wow. This is amazing. What is wow?
Interjection.
Interjection. What is amazing?
Adjective.
Adjective. Very good. This is an adjective. The climate in the Kodaikanal is very pleasant. What is climate in Kodaikanal? What is climate?
The noun.
Noun. What is in?
Preposition.
Preposition. What is Kodaikanal?
Noun.
Noun. Because it is a name of a place. What is very?
Adverb.
Adverb.
Adverb. Adverb. Can you please pick me, Dan, and me on your way home? So what is and?
Conjunction.
Conjunction. What is on?
Preposition.
Preposition. What is your?
Pronoun.
Pronoun.
Your.
नहीं. Can you please pick up Dan and me on?
Adjective.
Your.
What is your adjective?
Adjective.
What is your adjective?
Adjective.
Guys, this is very important. Now I have written some sentences. He works hard. The surface is hard. He is a hard worker. If you see the, just read these sentences carefully. He works hard. He works hard. Hard. You will see the hard in the first sentence also. You will see hard in the second sentence also. You will see hard in the third sentence also. ठीक है? First sentence में what is hard? What is hard in the first sentence?
Adverb.
Adverb. Because it tells us about the verb. ये verb के बारे में बता रहा है. तो it just describes about the verb. So it becomes an adverb. So he works hard में hard is an adverb. The surface is hard. The surface is hard.
Adjective.
Yes, because in this sentence, hard describes the noun.
Noun.
Hard describes the noun. Noun क्या है? Surface. So hard is a adjective.
Adjective.
He is a hard worker. What is hard in this sentence?
Adjective.
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 Sonia?
Because worker is a noun.
Worker is a noun.
Worker is a
Worker is,
noun.
देखो ना article आया है. Article के बाद if the two words are coming, so the first word should be the adjective.
Adjective.
And the
Adjective.
second word should be the noun. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
संगीता clear?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो बताओ फिर. संगीता, परशुराम, Rajneesh, be ready guys. Sangeeta, he is fast.
Fast is adverb. I'm
Fast is
audible, ma'am.
Yes, you are audible, but I'm not getting your answer.
ma'am. Fast is adjective.
Fast is an adjective, Sangeeta. Fast is an adjective.
Because
इस
B
बाद आ
verb,
रहा है ना?
because B verb is come.
B verb is coming ना? B verb के बाद अगर next word आ रहा है तो that becomes an adjective. परशुराम, he, हाँ.
और ये मैम नाउन की वो क्वालिटी बता रहा है.
हाँ, नाउन pronoun की
Pronoun
quality
मतलब
बता
हाँ,
रहा है.
pronoun.
Noun और pronoun की. परशुराम, he ran fast. What is fast? What is fast?
Adverb.
Huh? What is fast?
Adverb.
परशुराम, अच्छा चले गए हैं क्या परशुराम? Okay, what is fast, guys?
Adverb.
Fast is adverb.
Fast is an adverb. Fast is an adverb. Fast is an
Because
adverb.
it shows the quality.
Yes, it shows the quality of the verb.
Wow.
Ran. What he is a fast runner. He is a fast runner. So what is fast here?
Adjective.
Adjective. Adjective. Yes. Meeta, they fast on Monday. What is fast here?
Verb.
Excellent. Excellent. They fast on Monday का
Monday.
मतलब है यहाँ पर it acts as a verb. Mr. Rawat, they keep a fast on Monday. They keep a fast on Monday.
Noun.
First
is a noun here.
They keep a fast on Monday. What is a fast here? Yes. Tariq,
Fast is adjective.
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 Indrajit, Vinay.
I think it is noun
Why, Vinay, you are saying I think?
because after it is a noun.
Article
Actually, it
comes,
is a noun.
maybe it's a
It
noun.
is a noun, Vinay. So your answer is it is a noun. Don't say ki I
Yes.
think. Okay. Sonia is absolutely right because देखो guys simple है ना, article आ गया ना.
Okay.
Article is coming ना fast से पहले. अब देखो यहाँ पर fast से पहले there is no article. यहाँ पर fast से पहले there is no article. So that's why it is a verb. But here it is a article is coming.
Noun.
Article is coming. But अब यहाँ पर आप कह सकते हो कि मैम यहाँ पर भी तो एक आर्टिकल आ गया है ना. अब फास्ट से पहले आर्टिकल इज कमिंग. बट गाइस यहाँ पर आर्टिकल के बाद द टू वर्ड्स आर कमिंग. सी इस चीज को समझो. इफ आफ्टर द आर्टिकल इफ द टू वर्ड्स आर कमिंग, द फर्स्ट वर्ड शुड बी द एडजेक्टिव, द सेकंड वर्ड शुड बी द नाउन. बट इन दिस सेंटेंस, लास्ट सेंटेंस देखो, अ के बाद सीधा हमारा फास्ट आ गया, तो सिंगल वर्ड इज कमिंग. So then the fast becomes the noun.
No.
Okay, chalo. Namita is not coming today. Yes, Sangeeta.
Yes, ma'am.
Underline the words which are underlined. Just tell me the parts of speech.
Noun. This is a noun.
Okay, this is a noun. Okay. Yes, Dhriti, number 2.
Yes, ma'am. Will be living is a
Will be living is a verb. Very simple, Dhriti. Why you are taking so much time? Will be living. They are the 3 verbs. And what is tomorrow? Tomorrow is an
Adverb.
Adverb.
adverb. Adverb. Tomorrow is an adverb. Meeta, number 3rd.
The teacher asks the students to stand. Students.
Ma'am, a student is noun here.
Guys, why you are taking so much time? मेरी heartbeat ऊपर कर देते हो यार तुम लोग. Simple था, students underline करके students बताना था.
Yes.
He is my brother. He is my brother. Tariq, what is my?
My is a adjective, ma'am.
My is an adjective. Very good.
Adjective.
Mr. Rawat, number 5. There is a cat under the table.
Yeah, it's 2 words is preposition.
It's a preposition. It's a preposition. It's a preposition. Okay. Yes. Pasuram, the clothes did not dry as it was raining all night. As. What is as?
Preposition.
Conjunction.
Conjunction.
ना 2
Conjunction.
sentences को join कर रहा है. 2 sentences को join कर रहे हैं.
Conjunction.
Indrajit, Sheena and her sister dances well.
Tina, her sister is dancing.
Underline जो words हैं उसको बताओ.
And is conjunction.
And is conjunction and well
And
is
well is the adverb.
Adverb.
well is an adverb. Well is an adverb. Rajneesh,
Yes,
number 8,
yes.
number 9.
I am wearing a green dress for the party. Green is noun, ma'am.
Very good.
No.
Number 9.
Green is the noun, ma'am.
Oh, sorry.
It's
Green is an adjective.
it's
Adjective.
adjective.
Sorry,
Yes,
Green
ma'am.
is an
Adjective.
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 Because,
Right.
yes. Number 9.
Interjection.
Interjection.
Interjection. She is coming with me.
Preposition.
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 With क्या है? Preposition. ठीक है? Now I'm going to give this your homework. ठीक है? What you have to do? There are some sentences. You just tell me which are the